Hello guys, welcome to another super simple guitar tutorials. Today we have a beautiful and super easy song called Just the Way You Are by Bruno Mars, and it's great for the beginners. For the basics of this song, you need your guitar on standard tuning, and we're going to learn two versions of the song, and both of them we need a capo. One of them on the 5th fret of your guitar and one of them on the 3rd fret. The difference is in the one of them we don't use bar chords and in the other one we use bar chord. It depends in your test which one do you like to play. So put your capo on the 5th fret and let's jump for the first version. Now our main progression for this song is C, A minor, F, and again C. We are going to use this main progression for entire song in the same pattern. Now before we get to the intro part, let's learn the strumming pattern because we are going to use the strumming pattern most of the song except the chorus part. So our strumming pattern will go like down, then up, up, down, up. Again, down, then up, down, up. So in the intro part, we're going to play it for once. So it will sound like this. Now we get to the verse part. Again, same chords with same patterns and same strumming pattern, except that we're going to play it for 2 times. So it will sound like this. Now we get to the chorus part with same chords in the same pattern. But here we are going to add a new strumming pattern, which goes like down, down, then up, then up. Again, down, down, then up, then up. Down, down, then up, then up. A little bit faster. And also we are going to play the chorus for 2 times and it will sound like this. Now if you have a problem with holding bar chords, we can move to the second version, capo on the 3rd fret. So here again the strumming patterns are the same, just we are changing our chord shapes. So our chord shapes change to D, to D, G, B minor 7, and again D. So the intro part will sound, so the intro part with the same strumming pattern that we used in the capo version. So the intro part, and for the strumming pattern we're going to use same strumming pattern that we used in the first version. So the intro will sound like this. Now again in the verse part, the strumming pattern is the same and chords is also the same. The difference is we are going to play it for 2 times. So it will sound like this. Now finally in the chorus part, again we are going to use same strumming pattern that we used in the first version, and the chords are the same. So the chorus part with the third capo will sound like this. Thanks for the watching. If you find out this lesson helpful, smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more easy guitar tutorials. See you later.